From humble beginnings in a small Balkan village around 482 AD, the man who would become Emperor Justinian I rose through sheer intellect and the unwavering support of his uncle, Emperor Justin I. His early life was a crucible of learning and preparation as he absorbed the intricacies of Roman law and governance in the vibrant heart of Constantinople. His ultimate life goal was nothing less than the restoration of the empire, a grand vision to reclaim the lost glory and vast territories of the Western Roman Empire, not just through military might, but through law, faith, and monumental construction. Ascending to the throne in 527 AD, Justinian immediately set about transforming his ambitious dreams into reality. He faced his first crucible during the devastating Nika Riots of 532, when the capital erupted in flames and his very rule hung by a thread. It was in this moment of supreme crisis that his indomitable will, bolstered by the steadfast resolve of his Empress Theodora, shone brightest. He crushed the rebellion, saving Constantinople and cementing his authority to pursue his grander designs. His ambition was global. With brilliant generals like Belisarius as his instruments, Justinian launched audacious campaigns to reconquer lands lost to barbarian kingdoms. The swift and decisive victory over the Vandals in North Africa, 533 to 534 AD, was a stunning opening act, followed by the protracted yet ultimately successful Gothic Wars in Italy, 535 to 554 AD. Through these arduous conflicts, Justinian relentlessly pursued his goal of restoring Roman dominion over the Mediterranean, uniting a fragmented world under a single Christian empire. But Justinian's legacy transcended military conquest. He was a profound legislator, driven by a desire to bring order and justice to his vast realm. His tireless efforts culminated in the Corpus Juris Civilis, a monumental codification of Roman law that systematized centuries of legal tradition. This timeless work became the bedrock of civil law across Europe for centuries to come, a testament to his belief in the power of rational governance. He was also an unparalleled builder, transforming Constantinople into a dazzling center of power and faith. The crowning jewel of his architectural ambition was the Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece of engineering and spiritual grandeur that still inspires awe today, symbolizing the divine majesty of his reign and his unwavering commitment to Christian orthodoxy. Justinian's reign was long and impactful, yet not without its shadows. The devastating Justinianic plague swept through his empire, claiming millions of lives and leaving a lasting demographic scar. Despite these immense challenges and the constant drain of his military campaigns, he remained resolute. He tirelessly worked to consolidate his empire, unify its laws, and strengthen its faith. Justinian passed away in 565 AD, having ruled for nearly 40 years. Though much of the reconquered territory would eventually be lost, his death marked the end of an era of unprecedented ambition and achievement. His legacy is etched in the enduring principles of law, the breathtaking architecture that still stands, and the very concept of a Roman Empire that, against all odds, endured and reinvented itself in the East. Justinian was more than a ruler. He was an architect of civilization, a visionary who sought to restore a fallen world, and in doing so, laid the foundations for a new, vibrant Byzantine identity.